Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the animations you need and confirming they share resolution and transparent backgrounds. Open the Sprite Sheet Maker, set the canvas size and the grid to match frames per row and column, and create an export preset for your engine. Once done, import PNGs in logical order. Make sure to name layers or folders so you can find idle, walk, and attack animations quickly. This saves time and prevents misplaced frames later. Now you arrange frames into the grid so the engine reads them in sequence. Drag each frame into its cell, use snapping to keep spacing even, lock guides to avoid accidental shifts, and align character centers consistently. Once done, run the built-in preview and scrub through the loop to verify motion and timing. Make sure to tweak frame durations where a pose needs longer emphasis, otherwise the in-game rhythm will look off. Save incremental versions as you progress. Finish by exporting the PNG sprite sheet along with its mapping file, choosing the coordinate format your game engine expects. Then import both into your project, map the frames to animation states, and verify offsets and anchor points so hitboxes line up. Once done, run the build and test multiple animations together. If frames appear shifted or jittery, reopen the sheet maker, add uniform padding or correct anchor points, and export again. That single fix resolves most alignment errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.